How to create a new account on Prism Live Studio. For that, make sure to download and install the application on your device. Then, once you download and install, you need to open the Prism Live application and you will be get access on this welcome screen of Prism Live Studio where you can easily create account with Facebook, Google, Twitch, Nevercloud, B2B, or you can sign up with email as well. For now, let's click on continue with Facebook option. Here first you need to log into your Facebook account to continue to Prism Live Studio. So you have to enter mobile number or email and the password and click on the login button. So once you click on the login button, now you need to tap on continue as silver. You have to wait for a while and here you need to grant permission for different kinds of application here such as camera, microphone, files and media as well as the notification. Let's tap on OK. Here you need to allow Prism to take pictures and record video. Let's tap on while using the application. Now you need to grant the permission to record the audio. Let's tap on while using the app. Here again you need to allow Prism to send you notification. Let's tap on allow. Again, in order to access, you have to let Prism to access photos and videos on this device. Once granted all the permissions, you'll be taken to this page. So as you can see that we have already been on this camera page of Prism Live Studio. When you tap on the upper right corner profile, you can see that our Facebook has already been connected with Prism Live Studio and the account has already been created on Prism Live Studio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.